Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is HP Envy 6032 or 6000 series. What I want to do is to show you ways to scan documents from this printer to the computer. There are three ways I want to show you. The first option, we're going to use Windows Scanner. Before you start, you need to put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner face down. This is the document I want us to scan. Make sure the document starts from the top left. This is A4 paper. Close the cover. So go to Laptop Start. Select Laptop Settings. Then select Printers and Scanners. Then you need to add a device. After you add a device, then select HP Envy 6000 series. Select on it. Select Scanner Settings. Select Scanner Properties. And make sure you can see HP Envy from the list. This is the printer HP Envy. If it is not available, you need to refresh it. So I'm going to close it. This. Then select Open Scanner. Go on the left side and select HP Envy as the scanner. Source, flatbed. File type, PDF, show more. We want to scan it black and white. Resolution, 300 dpi, maximum is 1200 dpi, so 300 is selected. We want to save the file in Documents. If you select Save File, you can save it in OneDrive, Documents, Download, etc. So Document is selected. If you select Preview, it fetch the document for you to see it. If you are happy, then you select Scan, but I tend to ignore it, so I'm going to select Scan. Most important thing is making sure that you put the document, align the document properly. Make sure the document starts from the top left, where you will see arrow. So the document is scanned. To see this document, select View. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, you select Ctrl P from the laptop keyboard, or go on top and select Print icon. Go on the left side and select Correct Printer, select number of copies, and select the pages. Print on one side. Show more. Select the size as A4, fit to printable area. One page per sheet. Quality, 600 dpi is selected. If you select on the quality, you can select 300 or 1200 dpi. 600 is selected. Then you select Print. This is the document or image we scanned and printed it out. Another method to scan documents, we're going to close this. Once you select Scanner Settings, select More Devices and Printers Settings. Select on it. It will open the laptop and show you the images of the printer available on your PC. So from the list, you select HP Envy 6000 series. So select on the printer, right-click the mouse. It will show you, see what is printing, set as a default printer, printing preferences, printer properties, start scan, or scanner profile. So select Start Scan. Then select OK. It will bring out this scan dialog. Select Profile as Document, Source, Flatbed, Color Format, Grayscale, or Black and White, or Color. Black and white selected. File type, scroll down to select PNG. Resolution 300 dpi, then you select Scan. You can also select Preview. So select Scan. The document is scanning. This is another method to scan the document. So the document is scanned. Select More Options. Then import the document. You browse File. We want to import the document in Download. and also folder name. We want to save the document as name and the date taken. Then you select OK. Then select import. So this document now is imported to the PC. If you want to see it, go to File Explorer, then go to Documents, then you type the date the document was scanned. So I'm going to type the date. Once you type the date, then look from the list and also check the time. This is the document. Click on it, double click it to open. So this document is already saved to the computer. You can print it out by selecting print icon or select Ctrl P to print it out. So this is the second method. Another method to scan document, we're going to use HP Smart App. So the printer and laptop both are connected together using HP Smart App. Go to Windows Start, select Microsoft Store, then type HP Smart App. Open HP Smart App, download it on your PC and open it up. So the app is getting ready. This is the app, HP Smart App. I want us to scan this document. It's a color test. To scan it, put the document on the glass scanner face down. Like I said earlier, make sure the document starts from the top left. Close the cover. This is HP Smart App. And the printer is online. And this is the estimated supply ink level. From this app, select Scan. Close this. Go on the right side, select Presets as Document. Scan the entire area. Output. We want to scan it in color. Resolution 300 dpi. You can select 600. You can also select 1200 dpi. You can preview this document. Preview the document. Preview is not scanning. It will show you the document if you are happy with it. Then you select Scan. So now the document is scanning. So the preview is for you to see it before, so that if you are happy. But most important thing is making sure that the document starts from the top left corner, or you see arrow where the document is supposed to start from. This is the document we scanned. If you want to delete this document or edit the document, you select the three dots. It gives you option for you to edit it, replace, or delete. But I'm happy with it. If you want to scan another page, let's say want to scan this page, open the scanner, put the document face down, close the cover, then select Add plus Add. Then select the same feature. In this case, I want us to scan it grayscale. Then select Scan. So we're going to scan the second page. These are documents we scanned. This is the first one, and this is the second one. If you want to share this document, you select Share. It gives you option for you to share this document via email address or WhatsApp, etc. I want us to save the document, then select Save. Select Basic PDF. It will also show you the date or name the document was scanned, then select Save. You can remove the name or the date and write whichever name you want. You can remove the name, for example, the date, for example. Then I want us to save this with Vinyl TV 55. Then select Basic PDF, then select Save. Then select Documents, then select Save. So the file is saved. And also, if you want to print this file out, then select Print. It will pick the printer available. You can also scroll down from the list to make sure you select correct printer, HP Envy. Orientation, portrait, the size of the paper, A4, 1 page per sheet. Want to print it in color, Borderless is off. More settings. Two-sided printing. Then select OK. Then select print. So the document is printing. Now I want to show you the document we saved. So I'm going to close this file. Go to File Explorer. Go to Documents. Then type Vinyl TV. It will show you Vinyl TV 55. Select on it. Double click on it. This is the document we scanned. So from here, you can print it out as well. So the document is printing. This is the document we scanned. So these are ways, 3 methods to scan document with this printer to your PC. Thank you very much indeed.